Hey, how you doing, America? If you live in these 31 states or territories of the United States of America, which are 29 states, and then Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands are the two territories, so 31 states and territories, you could sign yourself up for a free phone at home. And it's easy, it's fast, it's like online shopping. You just fill out a simple application, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if you live in one of these 31 states or territories, uh, that are highlighted in dark blue, you're able to do this from the convenience of your home. You don't have to go wait in line. You don't have to go to a store. You don't have to find somebody on the street to sign up. You could do this, get a SIM card, mail it to your house, plug it in your phone, and it'll be able to work. You'll be getting some kind of free lifeline service through the FCC. But this product and service is provided by Truconnect Direct. So those are the states right there. If you live in one of those, this is the next step that you're going to do. Go to your browser. Okay, you'll be directed to my website in the description. And then you just enter in your zip code. Okay, and it'll tell you if it's eligible or not. If for some reason, we're going to sign up and it's not available for your state, it'll let you know. So this is the next step. It's all done from my cell phone. It's a Samsung cell phone, and it's not very, complicated at all. So, do you or any member of your household currently receive a California Lifeline subsidy? Have you or any member of your household received Lifeline subsidies from another California Lifeline service provider in the past 30 days? I have not, and I actually do qualify for this. So, I will show you guys the process. So you're just going to go through the application. You're going to enter in your general information. And I'm actually going to pause it right here because I don't want to give my personal information out. You guys can see these things. Okay, but other than that, we're going to pause it right here. Okay, thank you. And we'll continue in a sec. Truconnect Direct is one of the best. It's off the T-Mobile network, and you'll be getting an awesome service. So, next page, how do you qualify for Lifeline service in California? Qualifying programs or income-based eligibility in California. Please select one program you qualify through. I actually have EBT food stamps. That's the easiest way, or your Medi-Cal card. You do WIC, and then you can click here for more programs. Okay, there's California income requirements. If you click that, you're gonna have to submit pay stubs and stuff like that. But I'm gonna do my EBT, and then you have federal public housing assistance, or your Section 8. If you have the award letter from them, then you could sign up through that. If you have low income energy assistance, which is LIHEP, the acronyms, LIHEAP, I'm sorry, or National School Lunch Free Program, your kids qualify for that, you could do that. Social Security income, if you have the award letter for that. Temporary assistance for families, California Work Opportunity and Responsibility to Kids, CalWorks, all these award letters that for these programs. If you have that, then you're able to qualify for this free phone service. Okay, and the 29 states of America, and then the two territories, so 31 states and territories of the United States of America. Welfare to work, greater avenues for independence, federal veterans and survivors pension program. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do my EBT card. It's the easiest way. Would you like to use your own device? Yes, I would like to use my own device. So I want a SIM card. Okay, so please select the plan below. So bring your own device Lifeline, unlimited talk and text, and 3 gigabytes of data on T-Mobile in California. So in California, if I get a SIM card, I get unlimited Lifeline, unlimited talk and text, and 3 gigabytes of T-Mobile data for free every single month if I qualify for this service. So if you have one of these programs, you're low income under the federal income lines and stuff 150% under. I believe it's like if you make under like 75,000, you have a family of like 6 or something like that, you'll qualify for that. You just have to show proof with your income statements and stuff and taxes or whatnot. And but I'm gonna do it easy because I do qualify for this program at the moment, and I'm gonna do it through my EBT card, my food stamps. So next step. Okay, almost there. Please read and accept the disclosures and certifications below. Eligibility requirements. Check each box. I certify that all information is provided is true. Yes, I do. I understand I have the right to enroll the California Lifeline Service using non-electronic methods. I have the right to withdraw this consent at any time prior to activation of my service. I'm going to request a paper copy of my contract and associated fees by calling 611 from my wireless handset. Okay, so California Lifeline provides discounted phone service. I understand I am entitled to a voice grade connection. I understand I have the option to receive instructions for the application form in standard or large print. Yes, sir, we understand that. This service is a prepaid service and you must personally activate it by calling 611 from your Truconnect handset. To keep your account active, you must use your California Lifeline at least once during the any day 30 period. At 30 days of non-use, Connect will provide notice to the subscriber that failure to use the California Lifeline within the subsequent 15-day notice period will result in a de-enrollment. Subscribers can use the service by completing an outbound call or the usage of data, purchasing minutes or data from the company to add to the subscriber's service plan, answering an incoming call from a party other than Truconnect Direct, responding to direct contact from Truconnect Direct, and confirming that your subscriber wants to continue receiving the service, sending a text. If the subscriber does not respond to the notice, the subscriber will be de-enrolled, allowing only calls to 911 for an emergency. This usage policy applies only to customers who do not have a regular billing relationship with the company. By answering yes, I hereby certify under penalty and perjury that I have read and understood the disclosures listed above regarding activation and usage requirements. So yes, I acknowledge that I'm providing the information I have included in this application to Truconnect Direct and further authorize Truconnect Direct to receive and use my information for enrollment verification and waste, fraud, and abuse mitigation purposes. Additionally, I authorize Truconnect Direct to receive and use my historic Lifeline enrollment information for enrollment and verification and waste, fraud, and abuse mitigation. Yes. So I hereby authorize Truconnect Direct to access any records required to verify my statements on this form and to confirm my eligibility for the California Lifeline program. I also authorize Truconnect Direct and California Lifeline Administrator to release my records required for the administrator of the California Lifeline program, name, telephone number, address, date of birth, last 4 digits of my social, amount of support being sought, means qualification for support, and dates of service initiation and termination, including the Universal Service Administration Company or the California Lifeline Administrator, to be used in a California Lifeline eligibility database and to ensure the proper administration of the California Lifeline program. Failure to consent will result in denial of service. So you're just saying that you'll let them use your information to make sure that you don't have another lifeline, that you're not getting more than one, that you're not committing fraud, like trying to get more than one. You're providing the right information. You are who you say you are as a customer. That's basically what that is saying. And they're going to keep you on a database with all the free phones that you ever signed up with on one database, and that they could share that with each other. That's what they're saying. So I hereby certify under penalty and perjury that I meet income-based or program-based eligibility criteria for receiving California Lifeline service and have provided documentation of eligibility if required. That's taking a picture of what we have. I hereby certify under penalty of perjury that I will notify Truconnect within 30 days if for any reason I no longer satisfy the criteria for receiving a California Lifeline, including as relevant. If I no longer meet the income-based program or base eligibility criteria, I begin receiving more than one California Lifeline benefit, or another member of my household is receiving a California Lifeline benefit. I understand that I may be subject to penalties if I fail to follow this requirement. Okay, I hereby certify under penalty of perjury that I am not listed as a dependent on another person's taxes returns unless over the age 60. I hereby certify under penalty of perjury that the residential address listed in my primary residence, not a second home or business. Okay. For the sake of time, we're gonna just click all of these because my phone is dying, and basically you're gonna read all of these and you're gonna agree to the terms and qualifications. Okay, so after that, you're gonna please initial the box below provided for the following statement: California Lifeline Government is Assistance Program. Okay, you're gonna read this. Next step. Final step, upload qualifying proof. So you're gonna read all this. Okay, take a picture, press OK. Okay, sit back and relax. Please be patient. Your order's being submitted. This could take a couple minutes. Okay, so after you're successfully signed up for an enrollment, it gives you your account number, gives you the customer service number for Truconnect Direct, or their email. You could call them if you have any problems with your service, or your SIM card's not working, or you get a phone mailed to you, it's not working, it's defective. That's the number that you call down there. That's their direct customer service number. You'll be able to talk to a customer service associate, and they'll lead you to what you got to do to get your problem solved. So that was it. That's what you have to do to sign up for a free phone online within the 31 states of or 31 states and territories of the United States of America to sign up, and that's it. It was an easy process. That's all you have to do to sign up, and once you do that, you'll get your cell phone mailed to your house within 7 to 10 days, 7 to 14 days, depending on where you live, and what service that you signed up for. So with that being said, I just wanted to wrap this up and let you guys know that's the easy process of signing yourselves up for a free phone. That's the easy process of assigning customers to enroll up under you to make some money for a free phone. And yes, that's all we're doing. And if you guys need any help, let me know, and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.